Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to add tasks and reminders on Google Calendar. So Google Calendar is a very robust tool, and there are a number of things that you can do, but today we're going to be talking about managing and adding tasks and reminders. So right here, you can see on my calendar, if I go to say next month, I have a bunch of kind of daily throughout the week, Monday through Friday, I have these tasks that I like to complete every day on specific days. And so if we go back here, I'm going to show you how we can add and manage those. So what you would do is you would just click into a day that you want to add a task to or reminder. So we'll just click into the 12th here. And then normally you'll have the option to create an event where you type in what the event is, and you can even go to more options. You all know about that. But then we have task and reminder as the next couple of tabs. So the first one here is task. So we have task. If we select task, we can give the task a name. So let's just say task 001. And then right here, you'll have something where you can give the task a description. So if you're sharing this with someone, it might be a good idea to put a task description here if that's something that you want to do. Also, you'll see something here where it says date and does not repeat. This works very similar to events in Google Calendar. What we would do here is if we click on this, we have the option to select all day, but if we deselect all day, we then will be able to select a time. So for this task, for this day, I want to be able to complete this task, let's just say by 11 a.m. on that day. And then if it does repeat or does not repeat, you can just click the drop-down menu here, and they give you a bunch of options. If you've selected a Monday, it'll say weekly on Monday. Maybe it's monthly on that Monday. Maybe it's only annually on this specific day, like a birthday or something like that. I don't know if you want to be reminded of that. And then you have every weekday, Monday to Friday, and you can even customize this by clicking custom, and then you can say repeat this every week on Mondays and Wednesdays and Fridays, and then it ends never, or you can even give it an end date or after a specific time. All of this is very similar to how you handle events within Google Calendar. So once you've selected that, I'm going to go ahead and select all day for the purpose of this tutorial. You can see here, if we deselect all day, the task actually, the color does not give it like a background color. So all day tasks, if you check that, will give it a background color. If you deselect that, it will not. So once you've added and edited your task, the last thing you can do is select a list. So I have multiple lists that I've created. I have YouTube lists, I have my main list, I have another list here. I can select which list I want it to be. Unfortunately, you cannot customize color at this time per list. I wish you could, but that's something they do not have available. Maybe in the future they will. Once you've added and completed editing your task, we can go and just click save. And as you can see here, we'll see task 001 shows up on the date in which I added it. And then if you want to complete that task, what I love is, as you can see here, I have a bunch of completed tasks on the 20th here. It will go ahead and add a cross through or a mark through if you've completed that task. And in order to do that, you just click on the task, go right here to mark completed, and then as you can see, it just crosses through that specific task. Now, same thing goes for reminders. If we click on a date here to add a reminder, you just click on a specific date and then just go to the reminder tab here. This is like if you want to be reminded of something on a specific date, like email John or whoever or whatever it may be. You want to email John on the 12th. Make sure, keep that as all day if you want it to stay at the top there. And then what you would do, the same thing, you can have this repeat if you want to, and you can even change the date if you would like to. Now, reminders show up as blue, tasks as green, and that's the current way they're doing it. And then if we just click save, and then if I go and change this over here to the day view, and I'm no longer looking at the monthly view, you can see here that this reminder, it shows like a little finger pointer here. It will show up for the entire day as email John, email John. And then if I just click on that, just like with the task, I can mark that as done. And then you can see one reminder done, and then it just marks through or crosses through that there. So that's how you add and manage tasks and reminders in Google Calendar. Everything works the same for mobile, so there's no need me showing you that. It's all very simple and similar over there. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.